Alright guys, what is going on? The first meal is done. We're outside the Strand. Absolutely amazing. Could not start the night on a better note. Beautiful kind of just setting. You have a view of the Limerick, the Shannon. We had a little kind of pre-entree which was just, I think it was calamari battered, and then the course was, I have it here, the wild boar with like a hollandaise sauce, a beetroot puree, like a piece of cabbage and a vinaigrette. It was absolutely savage with the Harris Pale Ale, so the beer and the boar, the complement were so much. A savage start. I mean, good people, good atmosphere, good food, and it's on to the next restaurant.
So you get a food
Number 2 is the Azure Basin here in the bottom of Limerick. It was the roast loin stuffed with black pudding. 2 of my favourite foods. A combination just made in heaven, with beautiful like smoked bacon, apple sauce. Really nice. Beautiful restaurant, beautiful setting. Again, good atmosphere. Everyone's kind of getting into it. Everyone's relaxing a little bit, having a few drinks, so conversation is flowing, and the night is only going to improve from now. So next is onto the Savoy. We still have plenty of room in our bellies. We're still good to go. So we'll check in with you there.
Thanks, Neil. Where are we going on?
To the Savoy, Billy. This is stop number 3. This is why we're going for a braised shank of Limerick lamb with ballyhore mushrooms, spinach, textures of petit pot and gems. So we're getting pretty full. I'm not going to lie, my stomach is pretty full, but
me too.
Make room for this.
Yeah.
And then it's the home stretch.
Let's do it.
The home stretch now.
Let's do it.
and the dinner is dinner the room we had on MNC.
It's not too bad here.
That's the way to do
it. Restaurant number 3, we had the braised shank. Again, just absolutely incredible. A really high standard of fine dining. One thing we noticed, the plating and the appearance of the food is just absolutely phenomenal. So credit to the chefs. The food is amazing, the appearance is amazing, the atmosphere, everything is just absolutely beautiful. Everything complements each other. They're well thought out dishes. So and even though we were quite full going in there, it was clean plates all around. I mean, every plate was nearly licked inside there. We had a beautiful craft beer that is kind of suited to each meal. So we had a really kind of strong ale there to go with the ham. So right now it is the final course. We are going to, where are we going?
Perry Square.
Oh, Perry Square.
Yeah.
For some cheese boards and just a lighter kind of finish to the whole evening, because we're pretty full after all the port. But
absolutely.
so far so good. It has been absolutely amazing. It is showcasing the food we have here in Limerick right on our doorstep. I mean, I don't think we appreciate and we realise what we actually have in the city. And it's tours like this that kind of open our eyes and get to see what's actually here. Billy is shaking, so we're gonna give the cars our personal chauffeurs for the night, get to Perry Square and enjoy the evening.
There we go.
The end of the night. We just finished up with our last kind of seating, so it was a cheese board with some sheep's cheese, blue castle cheese, plum brandy, or it was a plum jam, some crackers. We got an eating mess, plenty of beer, plenty of wine. It's crazy how like the spirits change after each course. You know, when we started in the Strand, everyone's getting to know each other. It's kind of formal, it's just hellos and goodbyes, whereas now everyone's sitting down, they're drinking, everyone's enjoying themselves, they're getting to know each other a lot more. So the progression as the night goes on is amazing to see. Me and Billy slipped out a little bit earlier. We're going to have a busy weekend, so we're not going to stay for the whole night, but there's a good crew behind us who will be there for a pretty long time after, I'd say. So that is kind of the whole experience. I mean, it's a little taster into what you could get in Limerick City. There is a ton more restaurants. You can see behind me the place, the nightlife is just starting to become alive. So this kind of Pigtown event is amazing to just give you a taster into what Limerick has to offer. There is tons more. I would love to do more of these to try and show you what Limerick has to offer and show you what Ireland has to offer, because it is a hidden gem that people don't know about and we don't get enough credit. So again, the food was amazing, the company was amazing, the restaurants were amazing. Thank you to Pigtown for letting us come along, letting us video. Thank you to the 4 restaurants, to the Treaty Brewery for supplying the beer. And that is it. I mean, the whole experience has been amazing. We're both on a high, we're both stuffed, but we're kind of just simmering down now, enjoying the nightlife. It's like 11 o'clock, but it's busy, people are out in pubs, and yeah, it's just been an amazing evening. So again, thank you for watching, thank you to Pigtown. If you are out in Limerick, please do try out the places. Make sure you give Limerick a chance, because there is an amazing growing food culture, and it is only beginning, and there's a lot of work being put into it. So please do give it a chance. Please like the video, please share it with a friend, and thank you so much for watching. So that's what's from me and Billy. Good night.